Hello, my dear children and parents. Greetings from Indus Valley Public School, Raj. Children, welcome to e-learning classes of English, where we will be doing a lesson from your Moments book. And the name of the lesson is The Adventure of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. Children, this is a story about a monkey who is very notorious. Here we will be seeing a relationship between a human being and an animal, how an animal behaves, whether all the animals are compatible with pets situation or not. So after reading this story, you can easily make out whether we can tame an animal or not. Okay, whether all the animals belongs to the category to be petted or not. So it's a very humorous and adventurous story of a very notorious monkey whose name was Toto. And the author's grandfather, he had bought this monkey from a Tonga driver, and this monkey had played, you can say, very differently. And the story, his notorious activities has been narrated in an interesting way and make the story for us to read it out. Let's see what is there in the story. So, the adventure of Toto. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. That means he is notorious or he is a you can say comfortable animal, or he is not doing any kind of mischiefs. Okay, so now moving towards the lesson explanation, story explanation. So first, grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver, a bullock cart driven by a horse or bullocks. Okay, so here grandfather, he is the author's grandfather, and he has purchased Toto for 5 rupees from him. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So now what happened, this Tonga driver, he used to keep this monkey in the feeding trough. Okay, trough means you can say a large container where it is used for feeding the animals. So it was a baby monkey, so he can easily be carried in that container. So Tonga driver, he used to keep this monkey in that container, and from that container this monkey used to look outside. So he was very attractive, was very good because the baby monkey. So what happened, grandfather was attracted towards this little creature, and he decided to add on one more animal to his private zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey. So now in this paragraph we'll see the description of Toto. So Toto, a pretty monkey, his bright eyes sparkled like mischief beneath deep set eyebrow. So his eyes was very bright, and we can easily make it out by looking into his eyes that he is very notorious, he is very mischief. And his teeth, which were a pearly white, so color of the teeth is pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the light out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. So now what happened, his teeth, it is looking like pearl, white pearl, and it was really seen whenever he used to give us smiles. Whenever he smiles, his teeth is seen. Anglo-Indian, it means a combination of two countries like Britain and India. So it's given that way. Okay. Then, but his hand looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. So इसका जो hand था, it was dried up. जैसे आप लोग की मम्मा पिकल रखती है ना, तो when that material stuff से मैंगो का पिकल हो तो शुरुआत में कितना अच्छा होता है, बट जैसे उसको धूप में सुखा दो तो how it goes. So that way his hand was that dried up, एकदम सूख गया था उसका हाथ. In the sun for many years, yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. So now what happened? His finger was okay. It's looking like wickedness, means showing all kind of mischief, and his tail. Now his father is describing his tail. What he's saying, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. So according to grandfather, a tail add the good looks. But what here tail do for monkey? Let's see. Also served as a third hand. So this tail was serving as a third hand to do the mischiefs. He could use it to hang from a branch. So using that tail to hang from branches, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hand. So now what happened? He can use that tail to take anything that is kept out of reach. मतलब जो भी कोई कठिन वाली चीज़ डेलिकेसी मतलब ऊपर पर रख दी गई है काफ़ी ऊंचे. So now he is using his tail to take out that particular thing from very height, जहाँ पे आप normally नहीं पहुँच सकते. So he is using his tail in that fashion. Next. Grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new birds or animal. So now grandmother always used to get angry from grandfather because whenever he add on any kind of pet, no, or it can be a bird or it can be animal, so she used to get angry. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particular good mood. So she used to, as she used to get angry, so it was decided among ourselves, means author as well as grandfather, कि we will keep a secret of Toto until and unless she comes in a good mind to listen. जब तक वो अच्छे mind में नहीं आती, सुनने के mood में नहीं होती है, till that time we have to hide the presence of Toto. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So now what happened? So we have seen कि there was a room जिसका opening जो door था, that comes to the author's room. So it was decided to keep Toto in that particular room. So what that it was so we will not disclose. So now this Toto is in that particular room. So get the security. So in order to be sure Toto did not escape, they tied him in a hook in the wall. So एक जो hook होता उसमें टोटो को टाई कर दिया गया उस रूम में जिसका ओपनिंग ऑथर्स के रूम में था. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the wall, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So now what happened? So now they have tied this Toto in that hook, in that peg. So they went away. After some time, they just came in order to see what is the condition of Toto. Is required with anything or not. So now what he did? He just tear off all the ornamental paper. You have seen the door. This no walls are decorated with different kind of papers and all. So now this Toto, he removed all the papers and now this wall was looking. सिर्फ वो brick and cement का wall नजर आ रहा था. Okay, red color का stone that is known as brick. तो सिर्फ वो brick and cemented wall था जो उसके ऊपर covering की गई थी अच्छे papers के साथ. That was removed. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. और जो वो hook लगाया था from which this Toto was tied, it already came out from that particular socket जहाँ पे उसे fit किया गया था. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shred. Authors को school जो blazer था, it was cut into pieces. It was cut into various pieces. I wondered that grandmother would say. Now what grandmother will say? So now author and grandfather, they were getting nervous. But grandfather didn't worry. So only author was worried. Only author was getting nervous about the reaction of grandmother. But grandfather, he was chill. He did not worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. And grandfather was enjoying the Toto's action, whatever he did. Next. He's clever, said grandfather. So now grandfather is praising the mischievousness of Toto. He's saying he's very clever. Given time, I'm sure he would have tied the torn piece of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. So now grandfather is telling that he's very clever. This means monkey is very clever. If he has given with time means अगर हम लोग समय नहीं आए होते थोड़ा सा देर से आए होते तो what he have done, he had tied up all the pieces of blazer and he can easily move out of the window and he can go out anywhere. वो अपने आप को उस window से कहीं भी बाहर निकाल सकता था. His presence in the house still a secret. Till time, grandmother did not know whether this Toto is there in the house. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter where a number of grandfathers pet lived very sociably together, a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. So now what happened? Till time as Toto was a secret, now he is moved to the servant quarter. In the servant quarter where many other pets were there, like rabbit was there, tortoise was there, squirrel was there, as well as goat was there. So now Toto was joining all these animals. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. Now what happened? This monkey, because he was very notorious, he was very mischief, so he did not allow anyone to, anyone to sleep that night. So now what he did, let's see. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So now next day, grandfather, he has to go Dehradun in order to collect his pension. That is Saharanpur पे उसको अपना pension लेने जाना था. So grandfather thought he will take Toto with him. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip. So now what is some serious work was there, some important work was there. So author was not able to go with the grandfather. But he told me about it afterwards. So now what happened? Whatever things was happened during his journey, grandfather just told everything to the author. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. Now in order to carry Toto, एक बड़ा सा black color का canvas bag was arranged. And then this with some straw at the bottom became a new abode. So now उस bag को corner पे नीचे पे उसमें कुछ sticks लगा दी गई. So it gave a support, so can easily Toto can move inside उसके अंदर Toto को, और वो this canvas bag became a new home for Toto for some time. Abode means home. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. So now when bag was closed, so there was no way out कि Toto वहाँ से बाहर निकल सके. Toto could not get his hand through the opening and canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. So now what happened? No space was there, no outing was there. So Toto was not able to take his hand out from that particular bag. And this bag was so strong that he cannot bite that bag through his teeth. वो अपने teeth से भी उसे काट नहीं सकता था. Okay, it was so strong. So now what happened? His efforts to get out only had the effect on making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. So now as this is a monkey, he is very notorious, he is very mischievous, so he was trying to get out of that bag. So this bag was very strong, it do not have any kind of space or something like that जिससे वो बाहर निकल सके. So what it did, in order to making escape, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए what he was doing, he was rolling. तो जैसे वो कोई भी एक्शन कर रहा था, he just roll on that bag, वो बैग वहाँ पे रोल करने लग रहा था. या ज़्यादा कुछ करो तो he started jumping. So this bag was moving in the air up and down. So it was something you can say that was attracting the public in the Dehradun station. जब ये सारा बैग का मूवमेंट हो रहा है, कोई इसमें दिख नहीं रहा है, so it is just like an exhibition, एक शो चल रहा है, and every people on the in this platform they were enjoying the movement of the bag. Next paragraph. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. So now what happened? What he did? So now when till Saharanpur he was very safe inside the bag. But now grandfather has to get in, so he started taking out his ticket in turnstile. Turnstile क्या होता है? जो गेट होता है, मैग्नेटिक गेट होता है लोगों को एंट्री देने के लिए. So now at that place, when grandfather was taking out his ticket, what Toto did? So Toto just peeked out of that bag and he gave a smile. He gave a cunning smile to the ticket collector. Okay, the poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much of grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." So now what happened? As soon as he gave a grin to the ticket collector, no, he just got afraid, and then he was astonished to see the monkey in grandfather's bag. He recovered quickly, उसने अपने आप को संभाला, and grandfather and asked the grandfather to pay the ticket for traveling a dog, because वो जितने जल्दी सेंस में नहीं था, and he make monkey as a dog, and he asked for money from grandfather. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. So now here quadruped means होता है animal that is having 4 legs. Vain, जनरली वेन का मतलब होता है आपको परेशान होना या दर्द होना या समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट हियर वेन इज रिलेटेड टू एन अनसक्सेसफुल अटेम्प्ट. So now grandfather was unsuccessful. He is not successful in explaining to the ticket collector that Toto was a monkey, not a dog. He insisted that Toto was not even an animal with 4 feet. But the ticket collector was very rigid, was very firm, and he told that Toto falls in the category of dogs, and grandfather had to pay 3 rupees for Toto. Then grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket a pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" So now what happened? Grandfather, he was very disappointed. In order to take a revenge, उसे बदला लेने के लिए, what is that? From the ticket collector, he took out a pet tortoise from pocket. Pocket के अंदर वो pet tortoise को भी लेके गए थे. He asked if he was supposed to pay a ticket for it too. तो उससे पूछा टिकट कलेक्टर से, मुझे इसके लिए क्या ले देना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि तुम हर एनिमल्स के लिए चार्ज कर रहा हूँ. The ticket collector looked closely at tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and trim look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." So children, prodded means होता है पुश करना, उंगली से जो आप पुश करते हो ना किसी चीज़ को दबा के देखते हो, that way. So prodded means to push something from your finger. So now ticket collector, when grandfather shows a tortoise and he said, "Okay, fine, this is what you're going to charge for it." So now ticket collector took a close look at the tortoise. बहुत आराम से प्यार से मतलब एकदम पास से देखता है, pushed it slightly and announced that grandfather was not required to buy a ticket for it, as it did not fall in the category of a dog. Okay, next. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. So now what happened? Now Toto was acceptable by the grandmother. So now when he was known to the grandmother, that time he was given a place in a stable. And in that stable, their family donkey, whose name was Nana, he used to stay. So on Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. So now it was the first night. So grandfather came in the night, and he's just to check whether Toto is comfortable or not. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent claws, pulling at her halter, and tried to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. So children, halter means होता है strap that is placed around the head of a horse or any other animal used for leading. मतलब वो जो आप पट्टा लगा होता है ना, लगाम जिसे कहते हैं, that is. So now the writers, what happened? So first night in the stable, grandfather visited zoo. Toto. Ki everything is okay. No, what he found there, Nana. He found that ki Nana was restless, pulling its rope in order to stay away from the heap of hay. So this Toto was pulling the halter so that he was not able to eat. Now, grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches, and she jerks back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened on to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. So haunches means of the back. So grandfather hit Nana on his back in order to stop. मतलब जो वो खाने के लिए दिक्कत हो रही थी stop करने के लिए. So Nana gave a slap on the back. So grandfather gave a slap on Nana's back. So Nana jumped back with a jerk and Toto was dragged along with her. तो Toto जो उसका ये पकड़ा हुआ था स्ट्रैप को, तो जैसे ही नाना कूदता है तो वो आगे आ जाता है. ठीक है. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evening was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. So now it's a time in winter. So winter में grandmother उसको एक बड़े से बर्तन में गर्म पानी देती है. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hand, then gradually step into the bath, first one foot, then the other, as he had seen me doing until he was into the water up to his neck. So now he, in order to check the temperature of the water, what he used to, first he will dip his finger, then he will go with first foot, and then because he used to observe grandfather to do how he used to check the temperature. वैसे हम लोग भी करते हैं ना, पानी को पहले थोड़ा सा हाथ डालेंगे फिर पूरा डालेंगे that way. तो वैसे ही this monkey was doing. Until वो तब तक उसमें जाता है, धीरे धीरे करते हैं और पानी जब तक उसके नेक तक नहीं आ जाता है. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hand or feet and rub himself all over. So when he was comfortable with the water temperature and all, then he will take the soap, he will put soap over his body and then he wash himself. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. So जैसे ही पानी ठंडा हो जाता है बाउल का, he just came out. He used to come out from that particular place. He just went near the fire in the kitchen in order to make him dry. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, और इस टाइम पे अगर उसके साथ कोई हंसता है, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है? So when he start laughing if anyone laughed at him during his performance, Toto's feeling would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. तो अगर कोई इसके भी इस एक्शन पे हंस दे तो वो नेक्स्ट डे बात से जाने के लिए मना कर देगा. One day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. So what happened? One day what happened? कि just no right he just collect मतलब कि अपने आप को इस ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि वो जब अपने आप का बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर चेक कर रहा था वाटर का, तो वो खुद को बॉयल होते हुए बचाया. लेट्स सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंसिडेंट हाउ इट हैपेंड. अ लार्ज kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for the tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. So वहाँ पे केतली रखी हुई, उस पर टी बनना है, तो टोटो ने क्या किया, उसकी लिड हटा दी. Then what he did, finding the water just warm enough for bath, he got in with his head sticking out from the open kettle. So now what happened, उसको लगा कि पानी सही है, जितना उसके नहाने के लिए होता है उस तरह से उतना वार्म है, तो वो उसके अंदर घुस गया केटली के अंदर, एंड उसका सिर्फ हेड बाहर था उस टाइम पे. दिस वॉज जस्ट फाइन फॉर अ बॉयल. द वाटर उस समय ल्यूक वार्म था, तो इट वॉज वेरी फाइन until the water began to boil. अब जब वाटर बॉयल हुआ तब देखते हैं क्या होता है. Toto began to raise himself a little. अब वाटर बॉयल हुआ तो अब उसको बाहर निकलना है, बट फाइंडिंग इट कोल्ड आउटसाइड सेट डाउन अगेन. बाहर ज़्यादा ठंडा था तो ही जस्ट केप हिमसेल्फ अंडर दैट केटली. देन व्हाट हैपेंड, he continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother arrived and hauled him half boiled out of kettle. Now water boil हो गया, उसको गर्म लगने लगा, तो वो उसी के अंदर कूदने लगा, और तब तक वो उसके अंदर कूदा जब तक ग्रैंड मदर वहाँ नहीं आ जाती हैं. तो इट वॉज द राइटर्स ग्रैंड मदर व्हेन शी अराइव्ड शी टुक हाफ बॉइल्ड monkey आउट ऑफ दैट केटली, बिकॉज वो उसमें बॉयल होने लगा था, पानी गर्म हो गया तो वो बॉयल होने लगा, तो उसकी ग्रैंड मदर आती है और उसको बाहर निकालती हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, that part largely developed in Toto. So now it is said that अगर mischief वाला जो mind होता है, उसका division होता है, तो maximum part is given to the Toto. He was always tearing things to pieces. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. So now this Toto, every time he used to tear the things, and whenever one of the aunt of author, जब भी author की एक aunt आती थी तो टोटो ऐसा कोई भी चांस नहीं छोड़ता था कि उनकी ड्रेस को वो फाड़ ना सके. One day at lunch time, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. It was a lunch time, so pulao was kept. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. So now what happened? So we were searching for Toto, but what he did, he hid himself under the this thing of pulao. वो अपने आप को पुलाव के अंदर उसमें छुपा के रखा. Then what he did? On my aunts rushed forward. Sorry, here my grandfather screamed. My grandmother screamed and Toto threw plate at her. So now जैसे वो grandmother आती हैं और देखती हैं कि पुलाव के अंदर this he was sitting, वो चिल्लाती हैं. She screamed. तो when she screamed, Toto, the response क्या हुआ? He threw a plate at her. तो टोटो वो प्लेट पूरा आंट के ग्रैंडफादर मदर के ऊपर फेंक देता है. नाउ व्हेन आंट ट्राइज टू कैच टोटो, ठीक है, तो व्हाट ही डिड, टोटो थ्रू अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर विद उनके फेस के ऊपर ग्लास ऑफ वाटर ही थ्रोड. व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर अराइव्ड, टोटो पिक्ड अप द डिश ऑफ पुलाव एंड मेड हिज एग्जिट थ्रू अ विंडो. व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर केम, तो उसने पुलाव का पूरा प्लेट उठाया. ही जस्ट मूव आउट ऑफ दैट विंडो. We found him in a branches of jackfruit tree, the dish still in his hands, in his arms. He remained there all afternoon, eating slowly through the rice, determined on finishing every grain. So now what happened? Pura afternoon he was sitting on a branches of jackfruit, and the pulao was still in his arms, and he was eating for entire afternoon, and he was enjoying all the rice, all the grains of rice he was eating. Now what happened? Grandmother, who had screamed at him, he threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight when it broke into 100 pieces. So now what happened? As the grandmother, when she screamed on him, so he wanted to annoy her further, और उसको गुस्सा दिलाना चाहता था. तो वो क्या किया? After finishing the pulao, he threw the dish in front of her, and as the dish broken into various pieces, he laughed like anything. Okay, he was very happy when it was broken. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we should keep for long. So now, after all this thing happened, so it was realized that this animal, monkey, we cannot keep as a pet. Even grandfather realized that. This thing was also realized by grandfather. Okay, now we were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains and wallpaper. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold back to him only for 3 rupees. Only for 3 rupees. So now what happened? Grandfather was saying that, or he realized that they could not afford the frequent losses that he gave them, like loss of curtain, loss of cloth, dish, wallpaper and so on. So now he is saying that we cannot bear all kind of losses. He tore the clothes, he tore the curtain, he tore the wallpaper, and even he broke the dishes. So what he decided? He decided to sold him back to the Tonga driver, and he just searched the Tonga driver and he just paid 3 rupees and given back Toto to him. Okay, next, so we can say the conclusion of the story is based on the experience of people who keep animals as pets. So it is an experience. The theme thus deals with the outcome of the interaction between humans and animals. It shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to the human way of life. It requires a great deal of patience and skill to train animals to acquire non-destructive behavior. Okay, so my dear children, here I end with the video and explanation of this lesson. Hope you have understood the story and enjoyed the story. So thank you so much for watching the video.